welcome to a day in my life. I am currently getting ready for work. It is probably around like 6:30, 6:40 in the morning. I don't have my Apple Watch on me, it's charging. And I'm currently getting ready for work. Today's Friday. I was supposed to film this video last week, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I completely dropped the ball and I forgot. So, yeah, I'm here now. I have a long day ahead. I have quite a bit of work to do today when I go to work. And then when I get home, luckily, I have a pre-filmed video that I've already done. I just have to do the thumbnail, title, all the type of stuff. But then I am going to be editing for another content creator when I get home. So I don't get to just like fully relax, which is fine because like I need the work. And then I also have to do my remote work for a beauty brand. So when I get home, I'm gonna come home today. I'm gonna walk the dogs, and then I'm gonna walk the dogs, feed them, and then I'm gonna do my own video, followed by editing for somebody else, and then some work. And then after that, I'll be making dinner, and then I'm gonna shower, and then I'm going to read my book. And this is pretty much what my day consists of. I know a lot of you guys have asked me to do like a day in my life. So this is a day in my life. I get up in the mornings to go to my work at Disney, and then I come home and I either film or I edit. It just kind of like really kind of depends, and then kind of do the whole thing all over again. Like yesterday, I left work probably about 30 minutes early so I can come home and film with the new Twilight collection because I really wanted to get that up, so I got that up, thankfully. But today I don't have to do that, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I figured I would do a day in my life, and you know what, maybe I might do a week in my life. I don't really know. But you guys have asked to see the behind the scenes because I filmed like a little like TikTok short kind of showing behind the scenes, and you guys were like, we want long form, and I was like, okay. So I'm gonna show you guys what I can at work. I have to be very private because Disney can be kind of weird about showing stuff, and I work in an office with other people. But luckily it's Friday, so there's less people coming in today because someone's on vacation, and my other coworkers are coming in a little later. So it's just me and one other person this morning, which is kind of nice. So anyway, I'm gonna go finish this up. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I'm gonna get my dogs fed, and then I will be on my way to work. So I will see you soon. So welcome to a day in the life video. So I am currently on my way to work right now. It is 7:50 in the morning. I have to be there by like 8:15, and I'm running definitely behind. But granted, like it's not really that big of a deal. Like I could be there at 8:30. No one's gonna fucking care. My job is so lenient like that, where they just really allow me to kind of like, I know I'll have like a scheduled time to be in, but normally if I'm running late, they don't fucking care. Like it's so relaxed there. It's not even funny. Or if I want to leave work early, again, they don't really care. I just kind of have like a time, only because certain information has to get sent out, especially when I have to deal with the bank. When I have to deal with the bank, I have to literally call them by a certain time and get stuff going. So there are deadlines on some things. So I try not to be super late, but being there by 8:15, I'm gonna be a little late, but it's gonna be fine. Like it's not a big deal. I leave today I think at 3, and then like I said, I'm coming home to like do some work. But yeah, this is kind of like a day in my life. Normally at this point in time when I'm in the car, I'm Marco Poloing my friends, so I'm definitely gonna go do that. But you know, I said I'll show you guys behind the scenes, and this is it. It's a very riveting life. You get to see a person doing like a 9-to-5 type of job and coming home to do more work. You know, I'm gonna come home after doing my like content creation stuff. I'm gonna clean and cook dinner for Corey and I, and make sure the dogs are fed. I probably will sit down to read probably around like 7:38, maybe if I'm lucky, and then I might jump on some video games with like Paige and Jarvis and them, but we'll see. But yeah, this is my day in a life. It's very riveting. I'm actually on my way to go get coffee right now because I really could use a pick-me-up, so I'm running to get coffee. I asked my coworkers if they want anything. They said no, so I'm just gonna run and get coffee right now, and then I have to get to work. But this is my morning view. I will say it is a really Beautiful view. Got my coffee. Coffee secured. Coffee is life to me here. I don't have this to have an energy drink, but I just really needed a coffee this morning. I will say this is definitely a beautiful view. What a great way to start my morning. Here's the Tree of Life. They recently just redid this. I'm hoping I could beat it before the bug show comes out, because I can't tell you how many times I have to go run and do errands for work, and I'm walking through this little tunnel system and the bug show lets out and I get trapped behind people. So I'm hoping to beat everybody, but this is my work life. You know, I love being a content creator, but I do love my job. I would say my favorite part is looking at the animals. I love seeing the animals and getting to eat the food here at the different restaurants. It's just really nice. Okay, so this is my office. I'm not allowed to show anything else, but this is my office. I'm at work. I gotta be quiet. But this is my office. What little I can show. Hi, so I just got to my car. It's currently 3:15 and right now it's almost 80 degrees outside. This is the weird thing about Florida's weather, is that like in the morning when I got like left for work, it was like 53 degrees. So that's why I wore like a freaking sweater, right? But then it raised by close to 30 degrees. It's wild. And like I know right now, like a lot of the United States is going to be facing this massive like ice storm, and we're going to be the 80s this weekend. So it's going to be definitely very, very interesting. It's definitely just really weird with the weather, but I just got off of work. I got a lot of work done today, got all my work done today. So it's really nice because it's my Friday, and it is Friday. So I'm going to go home now. I'm going to go take care of my babies. I'm going to give them a walk, get their dinner going. I have my video that I have to get ready for today, which is like my 2016 like makeup look that I did, and then I have some work to do with the brand. I already got they've already been reaching out to me for stuff that I have to do when I get home, and then I have to, I think, edit content for Content Creator. I'm still waiting on them to send it my way, but they did say they were sending it to me today. So in the meantime, once I get done with my stuff, I'm going to take a shower. I have not washed my hair in like 4 freaking days. I've been living off a dry shampoo, and just get some work done. You know, it's one of those Fridays where I wish I could just go home and do nothing, but the bills don't pay themselves. So anyway, I feel like this is such a boring behind the scenes look into my life, because I can only show you so much at Disney. I'm not allowed to show my office. Like I'm generally just not allowed to show my office, and like walking in the park, I can only show so much because majority of my walking takes place behind stage, and I'm absolutely not allowed to show anything behind stage. So like I can only give you a glimpse of where I'm at and what I'm doing, and I wish I could show the full thing, but I can't get in trouble either. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna drive home and I'll see y'all soon. Okay, so I'm home. The babies are excited that I'm home. Aren't you excited? Yeah, you're excited. Yeah, you're excited. We're gonna go poopies. Right, Miss Kaya? My sweet girl. And my little troublemaker boy. I know. And then Callie says her hellos. Callie says hello. She says hello. Okay, so here's a fun fact. I just got home maybe like 20 minutes ago, but there was someone knocking on my door as I was on my way home, and I looked at my Ring camera, and it's this big, massive box sitting out my door, and I'm like, what is this? I didn't order anything. I was like, there's no way a brand was sending this massive box. So I go and look at the name. Nobody that lives here, and it's a huge freaking couch. Like this box is a couch. So I was like, I physically can't carry this box to the location it needs to go to. So I had to go to my front office, and it's like, hey, do you know this building number and this person? They said, yeah, it's this building. I said, okay, perfect. So I went and knocked on this person's door, and they opened the door. I was like, I'm so sorry to bother you, but did you order a couch? They said, yeah. I said, okay, cool. It's over at my door over here. And they're like, oh. And I was like, I'm so sorry. FedEx doesn't know how to deliver packages. So they had to come all the way to my door. And then I was like, do you need help carrying this package? I was like, no, I got it. Bro, I had to help lift it on his shoulders because it was a really heavy couch. And I was like, are you sure you have this? He's like, yes. I'm like, I can help you. He's like, I got it. I said, okay. So he took the couch and left. And I was like, this is wild. Like, I had a package too from Day Day Signature, but like, this person just left this couch here and just said, she'll figure it out. Wild. It's wild. So now that I'm home, I need to change out of this sweater because I'm so freaking hot. I'm going to go walk my dogs, and then I need to get my work going. Actually, my dogs,
Y'all can wait like 20 minutes, right? Yeah, they can wait like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go do a little bit of, I have to do something really fast with this brand. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna go walk my dogs. Okay, so I am just doing some work. I have a lot of emails to answer. So I have to get all this taken care of. So yeah, this is probably gonna take me like an hour, and then when I get done, I'm gonna make sure I get taking care of my dogs, but I have a lot of emails to answer right now for this brand. I came on, I was like, ah! So yeah, I am just answering away. I can't show my screen because that's just giving away people's personal information, but just know I am working diligently behind the scenes to get this all taken care of for some brands. Okay, so I'm walking my dogs. It's 5 o'clock. I was working for an hour and a half. I'm still not done. I had to jump on phone calls. I had to get things like kind of put in order because like today was a little crazy. For my job. I was just like, oh my God. So I literally had to go and jump on some phone calls, and I haven't done that in a hot minute. Granted, I do it at my Disney job, but like for a brand, I haven't done that in like ever. So this was definitely first for me, but I had to get this stuff taken care of, and I'm not even done. I'm walking them. I'm gonna feed them. I feed my dogs, and then we're literally gonna go back, and I gotta finish my work, and then I can like edit. Then I can finish my video for today that I haven't even like. I mean, it's ready to go. I just have to do the thumbnail and stuff like that. But shit, like, I'm so busy. There's my baby Coys. There's my baby Coys. Come here, buddy. There's Kaya. Okay, so it's officially 6:30. I just got done with my work. I quickly just threw together a thumbnail for my video. I don't even know if the thumbnail is any good or not. I don't know. I have been working for the last 2.5 hours. I took a break to walk the dogs, feed the dogs, but shit. So now I'm gonna go take a shower because it's 6:30. I need to shower. My hair is so greasy, and I got some PR packages I'm gonna open up with you guys, and then I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm finally gonna get dinner going. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Okay, so up first, I got this package from Day Day Signature. We have 3 lock-in eyeshadow bases right here, along with, I think this is either a bath soap or a candle, but it smells like lavender soap. And then we have this beautiful, this is going to be the Sweetheart Secrets palette right here. Look at how gorgeous this is, along with 2 individual shadows. This is absolutely pretty. I hope that I'm not revealing something that's not meant to be revealed yet, because she has a post about this, but just in case you guys are seeing this video next week anyway. But this is so freaking cute. Thank you so much, Day Day Signature. This kind of made me laugh because this came literally after I posted my 2016 makeup look. We had the Professional Setter and the Professional Primer. I literally talked about this primer in the video saying, oh, I should have had it, and I didn't, and it showed up. It showed up. Like, what are the freaking odds? That is hilarious. Urban Decay sent over this really cool package. It's going to have their new tubing mascara and 24-hour liquid eyeshadow liners, which I'm really excited about. Mine did come open, so it kind of spilled everywhere, but I'm actually really excited to play with this. I cannot thank Urban Decay enough. It's still really weird that they know who I am, so that's actually really cool. Ooh, Murad sent over this really cool packaging. This is going to be an Lipid Rich Double Cleansing Balm. It's like they knew that I ran out of a cleanser. It's like they knew that I ran out of a cleansing balm. So I'm absolutely going to go ahead and use it today in my shower because I need it. I always use a cleansing balm and I completely ran out. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Murad. Oh my God, that's hilarious. It's like they know. Okay, so I absolutely do enjoy Elemis. I freaking love Elemis. I use them every single day. And right now I'm using one of their cleansers. And they sent over the brand new Pro Collagen Hydrating Cleansing mousse. But what's so funny is that they also included a cleansing oil as well. Now this is going to be a rose cleansing oil. And I could already smell it from the box. I can literally already smell it from the box, but that's still really cool. So thank you so much, Elemis. I freaking love you guys. So it's been over 13 hours since I've had this makeup on, and I definitely need to take it off at this point. I need to wash my hair. It's been days and it's starting to itch. But I'm going to try out the new Murad Double Cleansing Balm since I just got this in PR. And then when I'm done showering, I'm finally going to cook dinner because I'm freaking starving. I haven't eaten since lunch this afternoon. So now that I'm done with work, well, I'm not done with work. I have a few more things I have to do, but I have to do it over the weekend, I think, because I have to get stuff done. But either way, now that I'm done, I'm going to go take a shower, cook dinner, and then I'm going to sit down to read my book for the evening and possibly play with Paige Jarvis, our friends Spinelli and Corey. That is the plan. So I just got out of the shower. I'm going to do my skincare, and then I'm going to go cook dinner. I realized that I can't film myself cooking dinner because I generally need my phone to film, but I'm making this pasta, like this garlic aioli pasta. I've seen it on TikTok. I really want to create it. It's really, really easy ingredients. It's just a whole head of garlic,
chopped up with like a third of olive oil and some parsley and some shredded Parmesan cheese with a little bit of lemon. That's literally all it is. I'm so excited. I made something very similar to this before, but this one's gonna be a little bit different because before I did like chopped garlic, like finely chopped. Now I'm gonna do like whole pieces of garlic. So I'm really excited. For my toner, I'm just going in with the Medicube Zero Pore Pads. I freaking love this, or I love my Paula Choice, but unfortunately I'm out of that one right now. So I'm just gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with my Medicube. This is the PDRM. This is the salmon sperm that I was telling you guys about, but as you guys can see, she's like empty. There really isn't much left. This product, I freaking love this skincare product. Like I literally use this every single day. It's an amazing peptide serum. After I get done with that serum, I go in with my Corsex Snail Mucin. This is literally what I wear on my face every single night. I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics eye cream. As you guys can see, this is practically empty. Gonna put this on my face. And then from here, I'm gonna do 2 different moisturizers. So I'm gonna go in with my Murad. This is the Retinol Overnight Cream. I absolutely love this cream. This is truly amazing. Their retinol line is absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you always get the neck. Now, normally I go in with my little Medicube device, but I don't really feel like using that right now, but I'm still gonna use the cream. My last step is gonna go in with the Medicube. This is the Collagen Jelly Cream. I usually put this on with my device, but today I'm just gonna put it on with just my hand, just because I want a little bit of an extra glow and an extra hydration to my face. So I'm just gonna put this on my face and you're gonna really see that glow shining through. The best part of this is my skin literally absorbs it. It loves it so much. And then to brush out my hair, I'm gonna go into the Amika. This is the Detangler Primer. I absolutely love this primer. So I'm just gonna really take this. I'm just gonna takes like 2 seconds to brush this out because of how great this primer is. Okay, so this is how the skin is looking, nice and glowy, and it just feels so incredible. So now I'm gonna go cook my dinner. Like I said, unfortunately I can't show you guys cook my dinner because I literally need my phone for the cooking instructions, but I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards before we wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys like this day in my life. I feel like it's really boring, but this is truly a day in my life. My meal, this is a garlic pasta. I'm really excited to try it. I made something like this very similar before, but this time like I cooked it differently, so hopefully it turns out really good. My husband and I are gonna go eat this, and then I'm gonna wrap up this vlog, but I'm excited. I can try it right here, let's see. This is a new one that I made. It's like a garlic pasta thing. And that's actually really good. Delicious. All right, guys, so I am about to jump in Discord to hang out with my friends tonight. We're gonna play some games and we're gonna chill for like the next couple hours. So I ended up not reading. I just ended up having dinner with Corey and we were watching The Burnt Peanut. And then now I'm going to jump in Discord. I'm gonna hang out Paige, Jarvis, and Spinelli and Corey. We're gonna play some restaurant game. And yeah, so this is kind of a day in my life. I do have a video to edit tomorrow because the content creator that I edit for, they sent me the video, so now I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. But this was a day in a life. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head to my other channels are for life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband Corey, and as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members. You guys who are here, thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.